كثيرا من آخر أيام كنا مع بعض وإحنا مش عارفين.
Such an honor to be in the Basque country, in a place that they are supporting and they are speaking loudly about Palestine, to see the Palestinian flag everywhere and everyone want to talk and speak and protest about Palestine. That's make me feel like I'm not alone and our people not alone, and Gaza not alone, Palestine in general not alone. And it make me feel like this is my home. And I don't want to call it like second home, or it's like home. And this is the most important feeling that we want to feel it, that we are not alone, and there is a lot of people knows us and hear about what's happening in Palestine, even before the genocide also. And they know also before the genocide, and this is a important thing. Okay, we're a Palestinian music band born and raised in Gaza in 2012. And we are making music between folk and pop to save our Palestinian music and to save our culture and to speak about our life by our songs. We have this power. The music is very power, and that's why we are here in Atlantica Festival to share our music and our culture with Basque singers and Basque artists. Because our songs, let's start with our songs, it's not just like a song like anyone who can make a song and compose it, and it's so personal for us, and because it's talking, it's storytelling, because it's talking about our life during the genocide, before the genocide, after we evacuated from Gaza. So it's our feeling, and it's our, we translate our feeling to a song, and to talk about what's happening in Gaza, and to talk about what's happening for our people and for us also. So it's not just songs; it's a stories to tell and to spread it to the world. I'm so grateful, and it's a big responsibility, and it's became a big responsibility after the genocide, because I'm a Palestinian singer from a band who born and raised in Gaza and lived the genocide. We lived 7 to 8 months in the genocide. So we left them just because we know that we have a message to tell, and we have our songs. We need the world to know about us, and not just numbers, and not just 100 Palestinian killed today. No, we are a Palestinian band, and we have a music, and we love the life, and we have the hope, and we sing for the life even if we are, suffering. It's complicated to understand it also, but we are here, and we want to sing. We want to share our music, hoping to see our land free. This is the most important thing that we have to talk about it, that Gaza before the genocide, it was full of life, and we were friends, like just singing and have a small instrument. It wasn't like a good life, and I know like anyone who is outside Gaza and outside Palestine, but there was a life. And because we miss this life, so we are fighting to have it. You know what I mean? The new album, it was written and composed in the genocide, in the tent, under the bombing, with the children. And when we were in Gaza, we used to sing with the children just to make them feel like, okay, there's a life. And it's written and composed, most of them with our friends. And so my dream is to stop the genocide, reunite with my family, and spread our music as a soul band, and share it with the people and in a big stages all over the world, and raise the Palestinian flag. It's not easy. It's not easy because I'm now living a good life, and I have a new clothing, and I have I have my career, and I have to go to eat, and it's easy life. And while my family, they are suffering and starving, and they have to evacuate, it's really complicated. Yesterday my home was bombed, and here I am, I'm singing, and I'm completing the life. I don't know how, but it's something special for the Palestinian people, I think. Yeah, it's a strength for them, because I have the responsibility for my family, and I have to be strong for them, and I have to be, in a good mood for them, because they take this power from me. So I have to be strong, even if I'm far of them, but I'm doing and I'm speaking for them, speaking about them. So for sure the talking now, it will not change or stop the genocide, but it will give the Palestinian and the Ghazawi people that they are not alone, and there is a lot of people care about them. Despite the occupation, we deserve to be alive, because we are a human and we are a normal people. Yeah, so we want to be alive, and we are, and we will be.